Hey loves, I'm Adrian Justine. Welcome to my channel if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I've made over my guest bedroom. And the theme I was going for was beachy neutrals, so light, airy, and I love how it came out. It is super relaxing, so let's get into the video. Okay guys, so this is what the room is looking like before the makeover. First of all, the turquoise accent wall has to go. It doesn't fit in with the beachy and airy vibe that I'm trying to accomplish in here. So we're starting with paint, and the color I chose fits perfectly with the theme. This wasn't planned or anything, but it's called Spanish Sand. So I've applied painter's tape to the edges and the outlets, and then using a large roller, I'm just going in and applying the color. This is such a great neutral. It's the perfect blend of gray tones and beige tones, and right away it lightened up the room. So here I was struggling a bit to get into the corners with a larger roller, so I switched it out for a smaller one, and I also went in with a paintbrush to get the edges of the wall. I let the paint dry overnight, and the next day when I peeled off the painter's tape, there was a thin strip of turquoise left, so I just went over it with a very small paintbrush, and then the wall was done. For the wall art, I'm collaborating with Mapiful on one of the pieces. Mapiful is a really cool website where you can design custom maps and prints, and there are so many unique templates that can help you to capture a special place or moment in time. For my design, I'm choosing a classic street map, and I'm choosing Kingston, Jamaica because that's my hometown. That's where I was born and raised, and I think it will add a warm touch of Kingston to my home away from home here in Florida. I love how user-friendly the site is. You can zoom in and out to change the extent of the map. You can customize all the headers and labels, and there's so many styles to choose from. Once you're finished customizing your map, you can choose a frame or a hanger. I'm going to choose the pine poster hanger in natural wood because I think it will complement the boho beachy vibe that I'm going for. Mapiful offers free worldwide shipping, and shipping was really fast. My map came in this scroll and included a magnetic hanger with screws, anchors, and a string, and I ended up just using the magnetic hanger and not anchoring it to the wall. To hang it on the wall, I'm using a wooden thumbtack to match the hanger, and this is how it looks. And I really like how it turned out. For my other wall art, I'm doing minimal line sketches, and I like to sketch out in pencil my drawings first and then go over them with Sharpie. Then I added to 16 by 20 frames from IKEA with white poster paper as a background, and this is how they look. For the lighting, I got help to install this stunning fixture with black hardware and faux distressed wood. It is so beautiful when it's lit, and it's exactly what I was looking for. So of course, I continued the wooden theme for the bed frame. This is from Rooms to Go. The nightstands are cream, but we're going to be changing out the handle to a matte black finish to complement and pick up the black hardware and accents throughout the room, and just to give it a modern feel. For the textiles in the room, I'm going for a white, light and airy look. Next, I'm going to be finding a space for this pampas grass, but first, I'm spraying it with hairspray to prevent it from shedding. Now I'm just going in and adding more accessories to tie the room together and just give it that relaxing beach vibe. And that is it. So here's one last look at the before, and here is the after. I love how it all came together. I can see anyone's using this space feeling really relaxed and cozy. I absolutely love the room, and yeah, it's exactly what I was going for. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I will link all the products I use in the description box below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!